Hello, my bounce-loving friends. I'm Heather and back with you today for a very gentle bounce using the stability bar. Now, you don't have to use this, but if you have one, it can be a nice addition, especially if you are just getting started. This is the perfect workout if you are a brand new bounce beginner, or if you're just trying to get back on your feet again, or maybe recovering from an injury. So we're going to take it super gentle in our bodies as we step up onto our mats. Step your feet a little bit wider than hips width. Your toes are pointing forward, and just rest your hands on your bar. Take a moment to take a nice big breath right here. And just welcoming yourself to your body and to your practice today. Now, feeling the whole sole of your foot on the mat, just begin to bounce. This is what we call a health bounce. Nice, easy pace. Let your shoulders be relaxed. Your knees are soft. There's a gentle lift of your belly to your back. Chest, heart are open. Shoulders relaxing down your back. And there's a gentle length continuing up through the crown of your head. Beautiful. Now from here, shift your weight a little bit more over onto one leg. So just sort of waking that leg up. Check the tracking of your knee again, that it's staying forward. You might find a gentle little squeeze of your booty just to help stabilize you on that side a little bit more. And let's go to the other side. So this is a wonderful proprioceptive exercise. Where are we in space? Getting onto our legs, finding a little strength and stability and balance. Now come back to center. And we're going to take a double bounce each side. Here we go. We go. Bounce, 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 bounce. It's just this little rock. Your toes are staying down on the mat. The heels are lifting. Make sure your hips don't get too swingy underneath you, although that can feel kind of fun. We're looking for a little bit more control and stability so that you feel really strong and safe in your body. Good. We're just going to stay here for a moment. Breathe. Good. Now coming back to your bounce, shift your weight again over onto your left leg. And we're going to take our right leg in, out, in, out. Your foot's just sliding across your mat. Now we're going to shift it to the other side. Here we go. Over, in, out, in, out. Good. Now we're going to take that side to side, ready to go out, together, out, together. There's a little double bounce here. Nice and easy. You can always take that bounce out and just step it side to side if that feels better. Getting a sense of traveling across your mat. Waking up the sides of your body a little bit. Good. Come back to center. Bouncing right here in center. Our next move is a heel twist. So when you're ready, just start to take the heels forward. That's it. Now these are singles. You can slow it down a little bit more and do a double bounce. Okay, so either way. Good. Now our next move will be a step forward, step back. So let's come back to our bounce. We're going to travel forward and back on our mat. We're going to start with our right leg. Here we go. Go forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. Nice and easy. Right, left, right, left. Let's do a couple more, and then we're going to lead with the other leg. Last one here. Left leg, forward, right, left, right, forward, right, left, right. Keep going. Keep breathing. It's like a little walk in place. One more. Good, back to your bounce right in the center of your mat. Now from here, just start to come into this tiptoe kind of movement. Your heels are gonna lift, your toes are staying down. And we're pushing down with the heels into the mat. That gives us that gentle rebound energy, that gets our lymphatic fluid moving, that gets our hearts gently moving, that just wakes everything up. And stay right here. Nice big breath. Good, bring it back to your bounce, your health bounce. Okay, now we're gonna go through all of those moves again. Okay, so back to the very beginning. We walk the feet out a little bit wider. Good, we're gonna take our double bounce balance. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2. A little rock, side to side. Good. Our next move is our step out and in just a second. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to that left leg. Take the right out and in. It's out, in, out, in. Give me 2 more here. Good. Step it over and in. Left goes out, in, out, in. Standing tall and strong on that right side. Do 2 more here and then alternate side to side. Ready? We go out together, traveling side to side. Let's do 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Find your center bounce and take it into your double heel twist. Good, remember that little hug of your belly to your back. Toes stay on the mat. Shoulders soft. Good. We're gonna take that walk forward and back in just a second. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to bounce. We're gonna start with your right leg. Here we go. Forward, left, right, and back. Right, left, right, left. Let's do 1 more, and then we switch our legs. Are you ready? Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. 2 more. Last one. Back to the center of your mat. Just bounce it out. And then start to pick up your heels. So a little tiptoe. We're going to stay right here to the end of our song today. Breathing, smiling, and feeling like you've done something really wonderful for yourself today. Good. Bring your feet back down, knees soft. Just staying here for a few more bounces as you take a nice big breath in and let it go. Beautiful. One more time. Big breath in. Good. bringing everything back to stillness. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day.